Senior.
Yeah. That's it. Lights on back.
Senior. Lights on 18.
Black and black.
Sorry. They will come. Let's see if they will come. They will surely come because they love stuff like this. It's not bad. I have to go live on Facebook.
So you're going to be on Facebook and TikTok?
No,
This
YouTube.
Facebook?
This is YouTube.
This YouTube? Oh, okay.
Guys, it's about to start. Once they've started, I will let you all know. But meanwhile, see my face first. Don't mind me. Okay. So I hope you all are ready for this though. Because I'm ready, as you can see. I'm rocking a t-shirt. You know, this is the man that's about to make us proud in Ghana. You know? Just chill, support, watch, okay? Watch. Share this live to your loved ones. Let's watch the process, because the process is always important. And when you guys are part of the process, then you can boldly join the celebration at the end. So this is me. And others are getting prepared. I don't know what time exactly they're starting now. Okay, so what is really happening is that this man is, let me just say, accepted challenge. Challenge accepted, right? So he is going on mathematics lesson. He's teaching mathematics. As you can see, there are students here. He's teaching mathematics for 40 hours, and he's trying to break Guinness Book of Record. Okay, 40 hours teaching mathematics. So look at him. That's the same. This is him. Say hi. So that's him. So the journey is about to start.
What is happening? Tell us your full name. What is happening?
My name is Joseph Otomo. We are here witness the Guinness World Record attempt to get the longest mathematics lesson. And the title measurement is 40 hours. So let's all witness the attempt together and let's pray for the success of the attempt.
What should be the expectation of your loved one from the start, middle of the program, and to the end? What should be the expectation from your fans?
So what I'm expecting from you fans is that as we begin the lesson, you remember me in prayers for how to have a good health and also to avoid any disturbance from any different source. And as the lesson will be in progress, We'll ask everyone to stay calm and witness what is going on. And at the end of the lesson, we give praises, thanks, and adoration to God for everything He has done throughout the record attempt.
Finally, today you are going to have a long day teaching or having a lesson with your people. What encouraged you and why do you go by mathematics way, not any other part of the subject?
Mathematics has been my passion, and so I have practiced teaching mathematics for long years. The reason is to use what I have to help the students to get a better understanding and also love mathematics. Nowadays, students are finding it very difficult to get the concepts of mathematics. So I'm using this platform to encourage all students and to tell them that mathematics is one of the subjects that is being fun of. And that is the material subject that you can learn so easily. When you have time to study and also being familiar with numbers. So the encouragement I got to take up this month is to promote the love of mathematics to all students around the world.
Thank you. Congratulations in advance.
Thank you.
Congratulations. So for those of you asking, I hope you guys already have an idea of what is happening here. I might not give you the best explanation. You're blocking. I could not give you, probably, yes, for those of you that do not really understand me when I was explaining to you all what is going on here. So this is the man. He is the one that's about to make us proud. And we're here with him. We trust and believe that God no go shame us. So guys, stay tuned. Share the live to your loved ones, okay? Is that how you're gonna stand? Because you're really blocking my
And so you need to bring it somewhere around this place. What is okay?
I cannot control it.
Then you come. Yes. This is your mic.
Yes, I know. I have to. It's two: Facebook and YouTube.
Because I will be monitor this one.
I'm just imagining how we're gonna do it here. This must be. Oh God. Yeah, it's not even me where he will stand because this is not gonna be okay for both of us. Okay, one can use the front chair. Won't I show in what you guys are doing? I will show.
Are you a Ghanaian?
No. I'm a Nigerian.
Nigerian.
So you're surprised. I'm here to support the Ghanaian. Yes. No, I live in Accra. Really? I was there. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, I was letting them know that hey, I'm coming. This is my first time. Yeah, this is my first time.
How long have you been there?
My first time coming to Ghana was 2012. Yes, I schooled here. So after school I went back. I returned 2022. So I've been shuffling ever since. Sorry, please. Sorry.
No problem.
I'm going to connect some segments.
I need to go and connect this. Have we started? Have you started? Excuse me. Let me go and put this mic on his body. Please, have you started? Let me put this on you. Thank you.
Not this one. No. Okay. You go to use this. You connect them.
You're not connecting.
Maybe the way you're not man. Rechargeable.
How many hours a day?
4 hours. Then this one also has been charged. So this one will be on charge and we'll use this one. Yes. Please, can you all hear me? I think we need to increase the volumes more. So it's okay. Just check so to increase the volume now, man. How many students are here? How many students are here? How many students? How many? Hello? 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 Please. 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 Please, how many students are here? 51. 51. So in the reading, you indicate the number of students here. See, we do that here. To the participant, to the student participating, and what now to the 51 Today, 80, 51.
50 hours.
They will start the clock at 7 o'clock. The activity time starts at 7 o'clock. Can I get a bottle water? Bottle water. Bottle water. Remove the wrap.
Where are the rest of tax? To get tax.
They have it.
Where?
Amokwando. Frank Amokwando.
Tune to 8 p.m. The menu. This one.
They change them.
Yeah. But the time, this one is too small from the back.
To start clocking now the right time number. We welcome order.
It's in the best find ways. I mean, they bring another laptop. They another laptop.
To me, a boom. Okay. No, they're connected.
I want the menu keke. Menu one.
No. But we need the real time now.
Yeah, so but this one is the most important one, right?
The real time is the most important one.
The real time.
No.
This one.
We are secondary time.
Oh, okay.
Real time number recording. We need recording. We need to swat the we need actual final duration.
They stop watching from the camera. You know they show up, at the real time they show up.
And it's saying your real time.
So yeah.
We need a secondary time. Real time is the main time.
So you believe they don't capture this one cry well, you know the problem.
No be problem. But at least if you should, like I said.
Yeah, they show small here.
Monzu mine.
You zoom out too much. Most of this, some of the
Like how many? Explanation there. You need the real time is the primary one, the main
I
one.
don't know how many cameras we have, but I think we should have a camera specific for the time. Not like that.
Like, the camera should shoot the whole class.
The topic, the sets and operations of setting. I'm thinking you will operation of sets. Or is that, or the way you captured it there needs to be exactly on the board like that.
Oh, I can change it.
Even the often, usually it is operation on sets, operation on sets. So sets and operations on sets. So if
let's
it,
make it,
if it
make
doesn't
it operation
of sets and operations on, operations on, not of operations sets.
So what if I'm writing? If I'm writing, this operations of sets.
Operations of sets. I don't. For them, if it doesn't, that's what I'm asking you. If it really doesn't matter, they will take those tests.
Okay, then let me make it the same thing, but I'm turning off on.
Now you wanted to find out, is it very important to be Guinness phone for all the students to be captured? And I know there's so much
Head count. But like majority of them, if they are captured, fine. But when we are going for a break, everybody face will show, so they will know the students inside.
No. Before we start it, we will take pictures. As a behind the scenes, so we will take pictures, we take videos, and Sally has started.
and you're not getting internal to
My
take
clock, no. Real time in the main one.
Yeah. I do not make
Check the screen, man.
effort.
All of the challenges.
Abandon natural only. Abandon natural connect on the I know the immediate I start no, the children master. I'm gonna come the parents starting. Está sabroso. Está sabroso. Muito bem. É bastante mesmo. Bastante.
And on connector.
Are they making progress?
And they disconnected it. Reconnecting it now with wire problem.
But they are making progress. Or there's difficulty.
But it will be.
Are we going to change the 7 to 8? Or we do the 7?
I just not connected.
I'm gonna say, I'm sure that the problems.
Stop watching.
This one. Small one now.
I can see a mean fence to see no. Think we can get table so.
Young connected a cinema. So we my problem.
Second see no. Mo yeah that you need to get table so. Na can you find table?
Let's have a background.
Back of it.
Back like this. They say no, we're hiding.
I hide it, but the camera was capturing it.
I'm now suspecting I'm suspecting.
What about the other
It's a possibly empathy.
One for table.
No.
Machine. Send your TV. More fat TV.
Yes, yeah.
Table. I know for me,
Stop clock now.
TV kasi.
On this type of graph now.
But yesterday integral. Okay. It will be like it is in tomorrow.
Wherever you place, you are not supposed to. Yeah. I'm from Ghana.
No, for winter. No, you order that. So you for this one, this one.
And one tries say if the point will.
So you go remove them again.
We change the put on
That day my what the chrono event.
One from Brian, one from Brock.
Anyway, before.
Where you hang now? Where you go hang this one?
This one.
Find it later, or I'll fix it.
Send it out. You. That's your phone.
Also, TV brand, I don't think so.
Yeah, I think I'm going to watch it there. Wait, no, choose the cell phone.
Yeah, but this one Papa 3. No, we're not going to use that. This one.
No. In first, no, for this, I had it.
You leave that. You make it right. Oh, I have.
Remote. TV remote.
The remote not have it. But so you need the remote to turn it into
HDMI.
Yeah,
What's no?
Infinix remote, no?
TV remote.
mouse man.
But you may know I can't find it.
Many none of them. Did go on.
Yeah.
Another.
It's not better.
Age my put on over.
Two HDMI cables.
Two in age man.
HDMI cable. Before that is
Like there's no other laptop.
the laptop port is now.
Everyone's on a body map.
Computer lab or PDA cable, the way normal VGA cable or computer lab, ICT lab or any ordinary VGA.
And they take care.
No, for a source. I'm a source. Oh yeah.
One fella.
Yeah, it's a video.
What's a minute? I come.
We report in Ethiopia. By one point.
You put down.
And I should let you say that now say what say you? I didn't tell what disconnecting. Check out the order, man. Then you have a laptop now, fine. So, what do you show?
I know you Zoom on show. You want to go
Yeah, try with and try to kill
the whole thing is stressful. It's supposed to happen.
You feel sound?
No, I don't. Okay, my face is 41.
What time we do the okay, you can. It's okay.
You ain't for them for any some of us first. You wait for.
See, if your laptop on it, where you go play the laptop?
Yeah, like this.
Media here short. Okay, see. Take the ribbons.
It's okay now.
Yeah, they're supposed to be this one.
Yeah, the board can change if you want.
Okay, assistant. Yes, sir. So that means that we that means we start. Say we can start in the middle, like we can start in the middle.
Oh, okay. This is 7:10.
Oh, okay.
The time will start from 7:10.
Oh, okay. Then let me.
But your money, the umbrella has it. Oh, that's one. For the banner.
Which radio is so sure who you know?
I will not come here.
Once you go down, what's meant for me?
That background is show what I'm doing.
This is what we're saying that, like, how would you handle it? I mean,
Nails board.
okay.
Yeah, a capture. I don't know, some of them there.
Where am I fixing over? It's like time and anyone
We need a shot in this year.
It's now everything is set.
The coach board is a no shit.
No, don't start. I will say start before you start.
But you're not going to reset.
No.
When you start, you'll not reset.
Yes.
Yes. Then the player gets
Because I start, I know about K-Banks.
And if I guess I need to start in the show.
Like Obasosa and Pababa. Without putting a case on it.
They are distracted.
Put all phones on silence. Put all phones on silence. If you have phone with you, put it on silent.
You still see you could use the
Yeah. So, for YouTube. For YouTube. And then log in, Tico. The demo login. Not now. To log out. Log out. Change the log out. Log out now. Okay, until call Google. Let me log in with Google. Not register Google phone. Okay. You are net. I switch account now to make Google. Maybe I'll for YouTube.
For log out there, follow.
Go to your Google. Your Gmail.
Gmail.
Yeah, your Gmail. Then create account. Add another account. Add.
Those who are the tablets will run. Loud. The tablet will run. So since those who are their soup around, they are working.
Okay, I've met me now. And I've been
Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi. Your Wi-Fi now. Yeah.
I'll check this.
You said the introduction is going to do. It's not part of the starting time. You said that
If we start introduction, then the recording begins.
Okay.
But after the introduction, before I would say they should start the time. It's all part of the video.
So the time that I have to write, the starting time.
When I say it should begin before you write.
So whatever time that shows on the screen. Yeah.
Before accept the message. Cancel.
Do them again. You did it.
Accept. Accept.
Continue. Oh, this one already.
Written out to no, do not disturb. Notification of the email. It's good. Tell me my account number. It's on YouTube. Adobe Switch account. Network now.
So pet nano ABA.
There is a camera on the other side. 2 ports.
It's our common.
I know to me, you're trying to connect man.
Education into my
And likewise an hour.
So let me respond to your questions. You guys are asking me questions. Okay, this person you asked, please, Nigerian English or Ghana English? Obviously, it's happening live in Cape Coast, Agri Memorial. Okay, so it's Ghana. It's a Ghanaian. It's a Ghanaian. Okay, and they've not started yet. And once they start, you guys are going to see everything. Okay, we are warming up. So that's to is it that Vada? Yeah, so you guys should stay tuned and share the live, okay? So I will connect the mic now. I know the mic is on his body. Yes. So I'm gonna go right now. Concentrate, okay? And pray. So we will win this.
No, you shouldn't start. Or not start on either 7:30 or 8 Ojo. 9:50. You didn't go home about.
Before you come. Let me go and do some things outside.
Hello.
Sorry. Since they are starting 7:30, let me, once it's almost time, I'll come out and then thank you. So, guys, they are starting 7:30. 7:30, that's when they are starting. So, for those of you that don't know what is really happening here, I'm at Agri Memorial. Yes, I'm here to support a Ghanaian brother. He is challenging. Yeah, we are going to win Guinness Book of Record, as you can see here. So it's an event. I don't know who is organizing. I think it's a soul event. It's happening at Agri. Agri. I don't even know how to call it. But take a look at this school. This school is so big. Ghanaians love to they I don't even know what to say. When it comes to school, they love to the structure is amazing. Like look at how everywhere is just serene. The trees. Look at. I just say let me come out and show you guys how beautiful this school I'm in is. It's so beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. This eagle. Is that eagle? What do they call this? Is this eagle? I have to turn so you guys to see it very well. I have to go to the other part so you guys to see it very well. I don't know if I should call this eagle. Eagle? Is this an eagle? Oh, is this an eagle? All right. So I'm here. I'm here live and I'm appreciating this what would I call this? Studying environment, or should I say education? I don't know. I don't even know what to say at this point. So as I was saying, he's going to be teaching, teaching mathematics lesson for 40 hours. 40 hours teaching mathematics lesson, and we are here at Agri Memorial. This school is located at Cape Coast. It's located at Cape Coast, and we are here live. So, yeah, she's here live. The last world is here live. And for those of you that are thinking, Dale is not in Ghana. I am in Ghana. And I so much appreciate the man for inviting me for this. He didn't look at the fact that I'm a foreigner in Ghana. He just said, okay, be part of it. And as I came, they gave me a t-shirt. So this is him. It's an ATEM, official ATEM. You see? I don't know. His name is Joseph Atu. I don't even know how to call his other name, but his name is Joseph Atu. Yeah, so I just came out to tell you guys to appreciate the beauty of this school, the serene environment. This environment is so good for students. Yeah. Why won't you read when you have environment? Look at the greenery, trees everywhere. Why would you read? It's amazing. It's amazing. Really, really, really amazing, guys. So I'm gonna leave you guys now. It's starting 7:30 Ghana time. Yeah, so we are out here to okay, let me see if there are some questions I've not answered. Samuel, he said good. Yeah, it's a great thing to do. I don't even know how to call this name, but it sounds like home scone or something. Yeah, hi home scone. What is going on here? Okay, I just explained to you guys what is going on. We are here to support our Ghanaian brother um, that is making an attempt, Guinness Book of Record, right? 40 hours teaching mathematics lesson. Yeah, that's what we are here for. Yeah, so we believe that he's going to win, like he's going to be a winner at the end. Okay, so it's going to be like 40 hours. So 40 hours will be how many days? 24. Okay, it's not up to 2 days, but it's a day. And yeah, so it's good. We are here. And Yusuf asks, Nigerian or Ghana? It's Ghana. I'm in Ghana. Okay, I'm in Cape Coast currently. And guess what? This is my first time in Cape Coast. So share this live. Once they start, share the live to whoever you think deserve to see this. Yusuf again asks, Nigerian English or Ghana English, please? Ghana, okay? It's not English, it's mathematics. Yeah, hi, Nini. Ni yi. Mante, how are you, sir? Ama Masian, or wake and rise, and what does that mean? Ama Masian, Nini yi. Ama Masian, wake and rise and wobble the top. Yeah. We've arise already. We've wake up and we are pushing to the top. Okay, thanks for that word of encouragement. So Ajemang something do TV. Hi, how you doing? Charles Brown, hello. Me, Okete. Hi, me Okete. Uh, Dad, father. How many hours? So it's gonna go for 40 hours. 40 hours. That's a day, and okay, a day and some few hours. Yeah. So no, it's not. Yeah, a day and some few hours on it. Because a day is like 24 hours, right? So calculate it and give yourself the answer. So I'm here. I think I will go. They are taking some tea. Yeah, they are giving us presidential treatment here. They're taking some tea. Let me go and have mine. Hey, okay, I have with me here. What do you say you're here for? You're a witness, huh?
Yes.
Okay, she's here. Yeah, to witness the event, okay?
Okay.
To know if. Okay, let me not say anything. All right, so I can also go for the tea. All right. I told you guys, presidential treatment. Hello. How are you?
Yes,
You are the ones giving us tea.
yes, please.
What kind of tea is it? Is it coffee or something?
Yes. It's milk.
It's milk. So let me ask you guys something.
Yes.
Is this exactly what you guys are eating here in the school that you're giving us? I want to know. So I would. Is this what you guys eat?
No, please.
Okay, but you eat something like this too.
Yes. Not in dining, but we taking it ourselves.
Okay, so but they feed you guys well or in the
Oh
school?
yeah, the dining is good. Well,
It's good, right?
Yes,
I
please.
know, right? So what is it you're wearing? Is it a check or uniform?
It's a uniform.
So this is a uniform.
Yes.
Okay, right. It's new to me though because I'm not a Ghanaian, I'm a Nigerian.
Oh, wow.
Our uniform, they do too much in Nigeria, you know. But look at this, looks like a check, simple and unique.
Yes.
Yeah. So how is your school? How is the experience here? Tell us your name first before telling us your experience in the school. Let us know if you like it. How is the activities, everything, and your class?
Okay.
And what year you started, something like that.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Actually, I go by the name Igam Bridget.
Okay.
Yes, and I'm a science student.
Okay.
I'm in
Nice.
science one.
Okay. Science one. What does that mean? SS1.
No, first science class.
Okay, that's
Science
A.
one. Yes, but
A,
no,
A
not
class.
A, science one.
Okay, you guys call it like
Science
us
one.
in Nigeria. We'd be like just 1A. That means it's for the bright. You know, if you are in B, you should know that you are semi. If you are in
Yes.
C or D, you know. Yeah. So science one means
Yes, please.
people that are
Yes.
focused and. All right. Thank you
Science
so much.
one. I think it's not that bad. But then as compared to other schools and what I've been hearing, I think it's good.
Okay.
Though I didn't expect SHS to be like this. But my expectation, it's not that bad.
Okay. You're not expecting SHS to be like this.
Yes, back
So
then in JHS, I thought seeing SHS students or something else, I was craving to come for SHS.
So what was the shock you got when you know, because you said that you were not expecting it to be like this.
Like
so
this.
so what were you expecting it to be, and what was the shock you got when you get here?
I was expecting SHS to be some place where you will feel okay, though you're not with your parents, but then you feel okay, you feel good. It will be like you being alone in your house, but then it's nothing like that. It's like your kids, like you're all by yourself, doing everything by yourself, stress, tension, and
Okay, but you know it's part of life.
yes,
It's part of life to having this kind of experience.
Yes.
You know, from myself, from junior secondary school to the highest, to the senior secondary school, I went to boarding school.
oh wow,
I spent 6 years in boarding school. So I went to boarding school when I was 9.
oh wow,
You see, so, and I graduated, I think, 14, 15, something like that. So you see, this life is a process. Look at me. You will see yourself, you find yourself in another country tomorrow, and you appreciate everything that's happening to you right now because it's making you stand like strong and independent, you know?
yes,
It will make you feel more independent That's how I see it, because I've experienced something like this too. So don't see it as it's not a bad thing, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, it's another phase of life. You are learning. You are learning. So don't see it as no. Don't think negative about it. It's a phase of life. When you grow, you're going to realize that what you've experienced here is really what it's worth it. Because some people want to, but they've not. Okay. Thank you so much. You understand? So that's just it. Thank you so much for giving me your time. All right. Thank you so much. Hey. Tell us your name. Alberta. So tell us what we want to know. You are new. You're even looking like new. Look at the way you're holding your watch. Like, for me, I'm new here. So she's new. So how do you find the school? It's okay, right? Don't worry, everything will be okay, okay? They are taking you far away from your parents, and it's another phase. You are learning, and you appreciate this when you grow up, okay? So may God bless you all. Let me take my. Okay, this is for the student. Okay, what is this? Yeah? Okay, it's Tom Brown. Wow. This, look at thick Tom Brown. You guys are enjoying no porridge. It's so good.
But then this is for the teachers.
Okay, give me, let me drink. Hey, they are enjoying no. Look at what students are eating in Ghana. Hey, look at students. Look at how thick this is. You guys are enjoying. I'm telling you guys. If it was to be in Nigeria, bro. They are enjoying no. Students are enjoying in Ghana. Big time. So we're gonna be here for days, like a day. I don't know if I will still explore after this event though, because I cannot come to Cape Coast now without going places. Okay. This is okay. I'm coming. Okay. Oh, my tea. Give me like that. Yes. So they are about to start. Sorry. What is happening? I'm coming.
Don't you have to?
I do. I'm sorry. Yes. You have a problem? What? What the? Okay. Gifting suspended? Thank you. I thought they kicked me out of the live.
So are you live now?
Yeah. Let me borrow here. So guys, we're about to start. Let me fix my camera.
The Jamaica breakfast, 4 hours. First 4 hours of local breakfast, 11 for that.
This thing.
May I aware? I am aware. Somebody can go out. Somebody can go out.
Just break time. Just break time.
Unless you sit to break.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We can go out. All right, no problem.
Charlie, we can park before we start there.
All right. So,
It's not gonna be easy. Look at me. Hey, bro, if I can shift one. Let me
Good
do
morning.
that. Let's see the
Distinguished guests,
practicalize.
staff, students, residents, timekeepers, parents, and all supporters present here today.
We are about to start.
The Guinness World Record contender, Joseph Ochu Amapando, stand before you as Agri Memorial AME Zion Senior High School to begin a historic journey. The Guinness World Record attempt for the longest mathematics lesson with an official target duration of 40 hours. This record title is registered under the Guinness World Record with the reference number 2505021446551ML. Today marks a significant moment for this school, for Ghana, and for everyone who believes in the power of education.
Yes.
This attempt is demonstration of discipline, endurance, academic excellence, and strong commitment to promoting the love for mathematics among students. I would like to acknowledge and thank our officials, witnesses,
Anthony Herman Condobre, Head of Mathematics Department, Agri Memorial AME Zion Senior High School. Thank you.
Lisa Hannah Edu, Head of Fashion Department, Social Welfare Girls Vocational Institute.
thank you.
What's the question? Physical Education Department, Wesley Girls Basic School.
Agri Memorial AME.
All right. Videography, school authorities, volunteers, and supporting organizations for ensuring that every part of this attempt follows the official guidelines set by Guinness World Record. To the 51 students participating, I appreciate your courage and dedication. This is not just a lesson. This is an opportunity to inspire a generation, to prove that learning can be exciting, continuous, and transformational. As required by Guinness World Records, we will maintain strict adherence to all rules regarding timekeeping, rest breaks, workless rotation, and continuous teaching. I kindly ask everyone present to support the process fully and maintain discipline throughout the event. With gratitude, confidence, and determination, I officially declare the Guinness World Record attempt for the longest mathematics lesson open. Let us begin this journey together, one step, one topic, and one equation at a time. Thank you.
Good morning, my dear students. Our lesson begins now. All right. Our first lesson will be on sets and operations on sets. Before we begin, we need to define sets. We need to define sets. So, who can help us with the definition of a set in any form, whether a scenario, specific example, or word explanation?
That's why. So, it's managing the session.
One or two people, anyone who
Let
wants
me
to
know if the sound is okay.
try with the definition of a set, then we proceed. Okay. A set is a collection of data. A set is a collection of data. So let's put this definition down. Then after that we what is a set? Yes. Yes, you can talk.
Set is a well-defined collection of data.
Good. So we have the second definition. A set is a well-defined collection of an object. All right. So these are the two possible definitions I've given. All right. So whenever we talk about sets, it is also in the form of classifying things together of their terms. Classifying things together of their like terms. So, for example, if you tend to name all the days in a week, if you tend to name all the days in a week, and we specifically write down all the names of the days within the week, then we can call it a well-defined collection of a specific what, and a specific what object. But if we tend to list the names of days in a particular week and we add up with any element or any object which does not form part of the names of the days of that particular week that we are talking about, then the set will not be well defined. So the first explanation or definition that you gave me is an answer, but you need to specify what actually form parts of collection of given objects. So we have here a set is a collection of objects. Yes, whenever we group things together, we have different kinds of fruits. Then we sort them out. We have orange, banana. When you sort them out, good, we have well grouped them. But when we mix all the fruit together, you can say that this is a set of fruits, right? Yes, it is a collection of what? A given object. Collection of a given object. So you gave me either object or data. So any number that you are also giving out can be also defined here. Now, what we are talking about here is when all the element belongs to each other or being form part of the collection that we are talking about. So we can look at these examples. The collection of days in a week. So we must state Monday, Tuesday up to Sunday, all the 7 days. If you include January or February inside that given set, then although it is a collection of data or object as we claim, but it is not well defined, because some of the elements that has been included in the collection does not belong to the right category. Do you get it? So whenever you are defining sets, you must always make sure the keyword well defined is being stated in your definition. Now, let's look at more example to this. We can say that the set of even numbers less than 10 or any other. The set of students in a classroom. We can also say that the set of primary colors. We can say that the collection of countries or the set of countries in West Africa. We can also say that the set of books on a table. We can also say that the set of natural numbers. There are a lot that we can talk about in terms of sets. All right, so conclusion to the definition of the sets, we know that any clearly defined collection of objects is called sets. Clearly defined collection of objects is called sets. Now let's look at the set notation. So there is the introduction to the set. Now, set notation. So we are going to look at how we can represent sets, how to describe sets. Whenever a set is being defined, how are you going to represent it in terms of mathematics? So set notation. So first of all, we are going to look at the conventional variable that we normally denote or represent for any given set. So whenever we want to write any kind of set, it is being denoted by a capital alphabet. So it is being denoted by a capital alphabet. So example, set A or set B in any other form. So if you are writing the name given to a specific set, then that name must be an alphabet and it must be written in a capital letter. So you can't write or define a set and say set A is, they define the curly bracket or whatever. So make sure that the set that you are defining should have a denoted name that goes with a capital letter. All right. Now we also look at what is being used to classify sets. We have different forms of brackets that we can talk about, but we have a specific one that we use to classify sets. So we have the curly brackets. So whenever you are talking about sets, defining sets, you just put or collect all the elements or the members within the set in a defined what? Curly bracket. Okay, curly bracket. All right. Now, we also have the component or the object being contained in the set to be called members or elements in a set. Okay. Then, so let's look at this. For example, we have set N. So there is a defined set. So we can have the set notation, that's the name of the set n. Then we have the component within the set. So the component that we have here can be called, or they are referred to as members of the set or elements of the set. So if you want to write and explain whether each component belongs to that given set, then we can say that we can see the first component to be 1. So we can say that 1 being a member of the set n. So the name member or element is being represented as this symbol. So whenever you want to write member or element, then you can use the symbol. So this is being read as 1 being a member of set n. We can also take this as 3 being a member of set n. Then let's talk about this, 5 being a member of set n. Is it true? So in this case, you just cancel the symbol for the member and it turns to not a member of set n. Are you okay with this? So this is how we can represent sets. Let's also talk about the number of members that can be contained within a given set. So we have number of members. So we have the number, not the individual elements or components in the set, but we have the total number of members in the set, total. So let's look at this one. The set defined here is set n. And we have the elements within the set. The elements are 1, 2, 3, and 4. All these are elements or members. But when we talk about the number of members, then we need to count all the members that are being contained in the defined set here and just give out the exact number of it, not the individual elements. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 members within set n. 4 members. And the term we used to call the number of members in a given set is called, who can help me? You have idea? The name given to number of members in a set. Yes. Very good. Cardinality of a set. It is called what? Cardinality of a set. So whenever you see cardinality of a set or find the cardinality of a given set, it means you are being asked to find the exact number of members contained in the set. Just count the total members and state the exact number that you have gotten. Now this is being represented as, so let's use our set n here to define the number or the cardinality of the set. So if you want to state the cardinality of set n, so for example, we have sets n being equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you are stating the cardinality of set n. This is what you write, number of set n. So this is the expression for cardinality. You just write this. And we read this as number, then the set name in the normal bracket. So number of sets n. So whatever the name of the set that we have here is what we also put it inside. But this number is always the same. So number of sets n. So when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, you just write this. So the number of sets n is 4. That's the cardinality of this given set. All right. So let me ask you this. What? I'm going to define a set, and you tell me the cardinality of this set. A set of even numbers less than 15. So first of all, you need to define the set by yourself in a bracket form before you identify the members that are going to choose for that given set. And this set hasn't been defined in any notation for you. So you are free to choose any notation to define the set. Then, after listing all the members, you now count everything and give me the total number. That is the cardinality. So the question is, find the cardinality of the set of even numbers less than 10. Yes. Within 30 seconds. Do it and give me the cardinality of the set. If you are ready, raise your hand. I'll call you. Yes. Okay. Which one? 3 or 7? Okay, so I need more answers. Then after I will do it together and see that it is true or false. So the first answer I had is 7. Okay. Yes. 7. 7. Oh, okay. Since all of you are saying 7, then it should be. But let's see whether it is truly 7. Okay, so let's look at this. So a set of even numbers less than 15. So let's state or define this set in our brackets here. So since there's no notation given in the question, I will decide my own. So capital, okay, capital X. So that's my set notation. So even numbers start from 2. And difference of 2. So we are going to have 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Continue. 16. So why should I end at 14? Less than. So you have to look at the instruction given. Less than. So don't exceed. Although 15 does not form part of the even numbers. They just give it to you. Just a number closer to 15 that will give you a even number. And it should not also exceed the number given to you. So we have this defined set over here. All right. And when you are supposed to write the cardinality, you are supposed to write it in this form. Number, then the set name equal to, let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Thank you. Clap for yourselves. Let's continue. Now, you get a concept of cardinality. Let's now look at how we can describe sets. We have different ways of describing sets. This is one of the ways. I just given the set to you in a word description form, right? This is one of the way, the word description form. Then you have been able to list the members and determine the cardinality. So we are looking at all the possible ways we can describe sets. Let's begin. We have different ways of describing sets. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is listing 8 members. So, for example, so let's look at our given set on the board. So the first way of describing sets is by listing the members of the set. And you can see our first set here, set A. And the members of the set has already been listed. Don't have to do anything about it. It has been listed already. And these are the specific members in the set. So when I say a set of students in a classroom, you still need to list the students in a classroom. Are you okay? But this one has already been listed for you. So we have the numbers here. These are the members of the set. Let's look at the second one. Set B. Now this time, the members of the set is not represented by what? Numbers. The members in the set is not represented by numbers. So this tells you that the members or the elements contained in a set can be variables, can be names of things that they have instructed you to list, can also be numbers, as you see. So we have this to be, so what name can you give to set B? Because we have lots of variables, English variables, but we have decided to pick few of them out of all the 26 English variables. So you should be able to, because any set has meaning, has the purpose of being together. Okay, so this must come with a reason why they are together. So what would be a common name representing these kind of variables represented in our English alphabet? Yes, a set of vowels. So this set is meaningful. And whenever you are identifying elements within a given set, that should contain,
guys, we're still here, and
variables. So the element that you need to present,
the event is still going on. As you can see,
when it should be
it's
variables,
already 25 minutes, 19 seconds, and
in that given set should be in the form of small letters.
what do they even call the other number?
Should be in the form of what?
19
Small
minutes.
letters. So you can't define a set
The
in
second
which the
suspense is going
members
first.
in the set
So do well to
are written
share this
as
live.
capital letters.
Let's encourage our brother.
So I have my sets.
We hope that
S,
he's gonna
and the
win this
members
competition.
are
Is it a
A,
competition or a challenge?
B,
Yeah, a
C.
challenge.
No.
We hope and pray that
Are
he's
you
gonna
okay?
win.
So you can't
So
state
guys, share
the
the live,
elements in the
like
set
the live.
which must be in variables as capitals. So the members in the set should not be capital, but should be
Thank
written
you.
as what? Small letters. Good. Let's look at our last example. So we have sets defined here. By this time, we have mentioned names of things, animals, or anything that will be presented. But over here, you can identify they are coming from what? Animal, okay? But not just any form of animals. Every set must have a reason why they are together. So what reasonable name in a word description form will you give to this set C? Yes. A set of domestic animals. And you know something? We have a lot of domestic animals. So this set will be restricted. What form of or what criteria are we using to describe the domestic animal? Because we don't have any, only these three animals serving in our planet here as our domestic animal. So this set can be written in this form. Look at this. You can show the continuation of this set, stating that we have a lot of domestic animals to talk about. Are you okay? So this is it. Except you are restricting yourself on the specific domestic animals, then you close the set. So this is the first way of describing sets, and it's by listing its members. Let's look at the second way of describing sets. So our second way of describing sets will be giving a word description of its members. So let's look at this. Giving a word description of any given set. So we just make an example here. So a word description, that one, they will just give you